Unlock your creative potential with a simple setup of Nano Banana, your gateway to enhanced image editing and iPod magic. First, head over to the official Nano Banana website. You'll find a download link readily available for your operating system. Just click that button to begin. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file. It's usually a zip archive. Double-click to extract its contents to your desired folder. Now, run the extracted setup application. This will launch a user-friendly wizard. Follow the on-screen prompts, accepting the terms and conditions when prompted. You'll be asked to choose an installation location for most users. The default option is perfectly fine. Just click Next to proceed. The installation process will take just a few moments. You'll see a progress bar indicating how far along it is. Patience is key here. Once finished, you'll likely find a new shortcut on your desktop or in your applications menu. This is your launchpad to Nano Banana. Double-click the shortcut to open Nano Banana. You're now ready to start exploring its powerful image enhancement tools. Experiment with the intuitive controls to sharpen details, adjust colors, and even apply creative filters to bring your images to life. Beyond image editing, Nano Banana integrates seamlessly with AI functionalities. Dive into its AI-driven tasks for even more advanced creative possibilities. Spend some time navigating the settings and familiarize yourself with the different options. The more you explore, the more you'll discover how Nano Banana can elevate your projects. Congratulations! You've successfully set up Nano Banana and are ready to unleash your creativity.